Do you have a basement? I usually start.
I
in
do.
basement.
I have one. Yeah, a basement.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So smoke alarm. So we're checking out the date, making sure that it's within 10 years, and we're gonna replace the batteries in all of our smoke detectors. So we got 2015. So you're good for 10 years, and I'm gonna pop out the batteries and replace.
As my smoke alarm was going off upstairs, and I heard beep, beep, beep.
It was going off in like full alarm.
Full alarm.
Yeah.
Yep.
What was the problem?
They said it could have been just a piece of dust, or it could have been
A bug?
You know, a bug. Yeah.
Get out the new batteries and pop these in here. Alright, this one. Testing it. Okay, so that one's all set.